I'm Kate, and I'm here at the Mississippi Children's Museum to do an experiment with you guys. So what we have going on today is a very fun experiment and art project afterwards. And I'm going to start with one of my favorite things to drink, milk. Here I just have some 2% milk and I'm going to pour it into a bowl. Okay, and now that I have my milk in there, I am going to very carefully put some food dye in here. And I'm just gonna do it right on the top here. Do a couple of dots. Let that hang out. Do some red. If you wanna do this at home, any food color that you have available to you is fine and should work beautifully. I'm just doing 3 colors, yellow, red, and blue. Okay, so now that I have these beautiful colors here, I'm gonna see what happens if I add a little bit of soap to the bowl. What do you guys think is going to happen to my colors here? Let's take a look. What? Oh my gosh. Wow. That is so cool. I haven't done this in such a long time, and I forgot how much fun this is. It really doesn't matter how many times you do this. Every time, it's just kind of amazing. So, do you guys think this would happen if I were to just use water? Well, no, it would not happen if you were only using water. The thing that is really cool about milk is that there's fat in it. And so you have fat in the bowl. Your food coloring is mostly water, okay? But then when you add soap to it, what the soap wants to do is bind with all of those fat molecules in the milk. So the soap is really just running around and dancing around and pushing all of those colors out of the way, trying really, really, really hard to bind with the milk, with the fat that is in the milk. So now that we have this, I think, pretty cool looking bowl, very artistic, very cool. It is now time to create a piece of art based on our science project. This is the fun part, I think, of doing this project, is being able to look at your bowl and then creating just anything you want, really, but be inspired by all of these crazy, beautiful colors. I'm using here watercolor, but you can use whatever you want. If you don't have watercolors at home, go ahead and use crayons, colored pencils, markers, anything you have available to you. But make it beautiful, make it colorful, make it fun. You can do it quickly, you can do it slowly, but whatever you create, whenever you're finished, make sure that you take a picture and that you tag us, because we want to be able to see your beautiful artwork that you created based on our fun milk experiment. So this is my, not my best work, but it is still fun. So go ahead, try this experiment at home, and let us know what you think. Bye.